Today we'll talk about how to fix your water heater. If the light is off, that means you won't get any hot water. This is a thermostat. This is where you turn the hot water. This is for the testing of the circuitry, whether it's working or not. And it doesn't test to the hot water, so this one is still okay. Now, the one thing you need to know about this is, in anything that is boiling water, you will always come across a little thing like this one. This is called a cut-down fuse, or in other words, I'm not sure what it's called. Now, the cut-down fuse is located here, which I just took out. Alright? I took out because I need to go and buy it. Yeah? This is called a cut-down fuse, or some other names What happens is that if the cut-down fuse will cut when the water is too hot. Once that happens, it will stop the heater from giving you hot water. Now, let's look at the meter. What happens when I touch these two together? It's not registering any reading. That means the fuse inside is already cut. It's a new one that I bought. Alright? And the meter is working. You have to buy the same part number. Right, this is the one I bought earlier this morning. Now, if I'm going to touch these two together, the meter works. I have to take this out to the hardware shop and get a new replacement. Now, when I touch these two together, you see the meter is actually moving. So this is a new one. The fuse is not broken yet. Now, when you go and buy this, you have to take out and bring it to the hardware store where they are selling this, probably an electronics shop. Now look at there's a number there. 85 means 85 degrees Celsius. 55 is the code. Don't buy anything that is different that you are not sure of. Don't buy anything above that, otherwise this thing can spoil. Once you have the new one, just put that in and your heater will work as usual. I hope this helps you and save you some money. Doing it yourself than calling somebody to come and pay like 60-70 bucks to do it. This thing cost me about only $6. I have connected the water hose to the water heater and plugged in the power supply. I'm in a very awkward position because I have nothing else to support it except my hand. So when you turn on the power, you will hear a clicking sound. That is actually the relay. Alright, The light is on. Yay! Well, I hope you like my video. I'm going to show you what else I'll be fixing in my next video. This is a volatile water heater. You know how a water heater works from the outside by simply turning on the power, turning on the water, it gets heated up and you get hot water for your shower. Now how does it work from the inside? From the inside, the wire goes through this little hole here and gets connected through a connectors. The connectors connects your live wire to a circuitry board. This is a circuitry board for live wire and it gets reduces into like a 12 volts or 24 volts. Now, the wire goes inside here, it comes out the other end, and this wire goes into the fuse, and the other end is get connected to a little device here. Why is it so? Now this is a pipe, it's not smooth. It's not smooth like this one. It has something inside here. Now why is it? It's like a door, inside here is like a door. So when your water flows through, it must have enough pressure to actually push a little door, like an opener up. The door has an attached magnet. Once it pushes up, the circuitry here is joined. It's joined. Joints means why? Now this part here is actually joining the heating element. That means it signifies the device to give you heat. The wires goes back up here. Look at the red wire, because this is a red wire, okay? It goes back up here. Now the brown wire and the red wire at the back there is the heating element. And the heating element goes inside here, it's like a rope that goes back out the other end. The other end is like put it like a blue color, which is quite good because blue signifies neutral. Neutral means in your power supply, the live wire you need to have a live and a neutral. So the neutral goes back here, goes back here, and it turns back to your live power wall plug. Okay, now that's the main thing how the water heater works. Now what about the ELCD that you keep pressing? If the fuse is spoiled, no matter what you do here, it doesn't help. This is just to test the circuitry whether it works or not. Yeah, it has nothing to do. So the little circuitry here that you see, it actually gets reduced from 240 volts to like 12 volts. And this will actually breaks the circuit board, the heater. When it does that, you won't get any heat to boil your water. And this part here is a thermostat. Or you call it the thermometer. Thermometer is like a wearable resistor. And this wearable resistor, as it says here, is about 300K.